Next, we're going to look at multiplying quantities that are in scientific notation. So let's say if I have 3 times 10 to the 6 times 4 times 10 to the 8. Well, really, this is 3 with 6 zeros and 4 with 8 zeros. And when we work this through, we multiply these two guys and we add those guys. Because it's multiplication, that's an add. If it was division, that would be a negative. And so moving on with this, we would have 3 times 4, which is 12, times 10 to the 6 plus 8, which could be written as 12 times 10 to the 14. And remember scientific notation, the rule is the decimal must be here. Ours is there, so I have to move the decimal 1 over. That means I'm dividing this number by 10, so I'm going to add 1 here. And so that'd be 1.2 times 10 to the 15. Let's look at a division problem. Let's do 6 times 10 to the 12 divided by 3 times 10 to the 3rd. Well, that's really easy. Again, we're going to divide these guys based on whatever the operation is. So it'd be 6 divided by 3, or 6 over 3, times 10 to the 12 minus 3, because it's a division that gives you the negative. So it'd be 2 times 10 to the 9. And that's how easy it becomes. As you see, if you were actually using really large numbers and writing them down, it'd be really tedious. Let me just do one more. I'm going to take 8 times 10 to the 12 divided by 4 times 10 to the negative 5. So here again, the 8 will divide the 4, so I would have 8 over 4 times 10 to the 12 minus a minus 5. Remember in your thing that when we have two negatives right by each other, it becomes a positive. It's like saying, I'm not going to school, which just means you are going to school. You're always going to school, aren't you? Okay, I'm sorry, we kind of went off there. So there you go. There's the 8 divided by 4. I'm sorry, I didn't see it was off there. 8 divided by 4 gives you the 2 times 10 to the 17. And you could kind of see that because it's a really tiny number dividing into a really large number. So you'd expect to get a number even larger. Always pay attention and see, does that number even make sense compared to the numbers I'm working with? I hope this helps. We'll look at some more soon.